All right, here we are with naming 3D figures. This is a sixth grade topic, but it could also be any middle school topic. And the way you name them is very specific and it's very easy once you get the hang of it. To name a 3D figure, you're going to name the base and then put prism or pyramid. So as long as you think of the pyramids of Egypt as being a pyramid and then a prism being where the top and bottom are the same, is if you have those two in your mind, then this is easy. A pyramid has the pointy thing, as like the Egyptian pyramids. A prism has the same top and bottom base, kind of like a Kleenex box. So let's name some. Here is a 3D figure, and you could probably name this as a box, and people know what you're talking about, but we got to name it correctly. So the base is a rectangle. Is it a prism or a pyramid? It's a prism because the top and bottom are the same. So it's called a rectangular prism. Again, we might could get away with saying that's a Kleenex box or something like that, but it is a rectangular prism. All right, here's another figure. The base is a square, and is it a prism or pyramid? So imagine folding this up into a point, and so it's going to be a pyramid. So this is called a square pyramid. All right, this. So if you look at this, let me point out the base. The base is here. So that's a triangle. And is it a pyramid or is it a prism? So if it was a prism, you would have the top and bottom as the same, but it's not. So it's a pyramid. And so you call it a triangular pyramid. So you could have a folded figure or unfolded figure. The unfolded, you would have to kind of imagine in your mind folding it, but you always name it the base first and then prism or pyramid.